Hey everyone! What if I told you I could take any random idea in my head, no camera, no editing, no expensive software, and instantly turn it into a full video? Sounds crazy, right? Well, watch this. A dog teaching yoga to cats.
Welcome to our special yoga class today, my feline friends. Let's find our inner peace together. Let's start with downward dog. Stretch those paws forward and lift your tail to the sky. Perfect. Don't worry about getting it exactly right. Yoga is about finding your own flow. Now for cat pose. This should feel natural to you. Arch your back and breathe deeply. Let's end with meditation. Find your center, breathe calmly, and embrace the perfect moment. Namaste, my friends. Until our next session, stay flexible and keep that Zen spirit.
Yup, that's real. This is Pippit AI, your imagination's new best friend. Basically, whatever you type, it transforms into a video. And trust me, it gets wild. Alright guys, the link of Pippit.ai is available right in the video description. Just click it and you'll land on this dashboard. First step, create your account here and log in. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. Now to create your first video, type your prompt. For example, a hypebeast TikTok style ad showing neon sneakers with lightning effects. Then select the mode. You'll see two options, adjunct mode and light mode. I usually pick adjunct mode because it's more intelligent for marketing and creative videos. After that, you can add extra details like your product link, media files, or even documents. Next, choose other settings like avatar and language. And here's a big plus. You can generate videos in multiple languages like Greek, Hindi, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, and many more. Finally, select the duration of your video and hit the generate button. Within seconds, Pippit will start creating your video. And here's the result.
Yo, check these out. These ain't just sneakers, they're straight fire. Lightweight but built different. These soles are unbreakable. Feel that energy? Breathable materials keep you fresh all day. Comfort that hits different. Style that speaks volumes. This is how you level up. Get yours before they're gone.
Our full marketing video is ready. But it's not just for ads. Let's try something fun. I'll type a squirrel reviewing the latest iPhone like a tech YouTuber. Again, I select the mode, choose the language, adjust the settings, and hit generate. And boom!
Hey Tech Nuts! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the latest iPhone. First impressions. The build quality is absolutely nuts. The design feels premium in paw. The display is crisp and responsive. Perfect for checking acorn prices and nut market trends. The camera system is a game changer. These shots of my tree collection are absolutely stunning. Overall rating, 2 thumbs and a tail up. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.
Our funny UGC style video is ready in seconds. Tell me this doesn't look like the next viral meme. That's the power of Pippit. It's not just ads, it's also UGC Gold. You can create English ads, Spanish memes, Japanese anime-style clips, and so much more with the multi-language feature. So next time you've got an idea, whether it's selling your product or making your pet the next internet star, don't just imagine it. Type it and let Pippit.ai bring it to life. Try it now at Pippit.ai. And don't forget, there's a limited time offer. Use my promo code Pippit45OFF for a 45% discount. Don't sleep on this one. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.